Went to the store and grabbed some of the shredded chicken that they already had right there in that fresh deli area. Now, if they didn't have that, of course, you guys could use something different, but wait until you see this easy dinner is super, super tasty. So I'm stuffing in these baked potatoes that I already got started here, scooped out the center, and now I'm placing in some juicy, delicious chicken. Oh, this is gonna be really, really tasty. So we're gonna top the delicious chicken with some Alfredo sauce. Now here I am going with Rouse because I think that it's definitely worth it, but you can choose whatever it is that you like. In fact, if you have a favorite brand out there of Alfredo sauce, or even the pasta sauce, I really like hearing what is worth it. Tell me what is the good bang for the buck, because sometimes when I'm standing there in that pasta sauce aisle, there are so many choices now. It's really hard to think what is good, what isn't good, what's good quality. There's too many options. Now, of course, I'm gonna follow it up with some cheese. I decided to go with an Italian blend. I was thinking a little bit of a mozzarella Parmesan, and I love how this kind is really thinly shredded. It makes it just melt so good inside of that chicken. It is gonna be golden brown. I can just see it bubbling. Ooh, just making that so good. Now we're gonna freshen it up with some fresh chives, and we'll cut those right on top. I might make a little bit of a mess, but you know what? It's okay. It's not that big of a deal, you guys. When I'm in the kitchen, I just like to have a little bit of fun. You can't really take it that serious. And then, look, you can start making all these things. Now, instead of using noodles, we're gonna use potatoes. We're almost kind of making it like a potato skin style. And I think that the Alfredo is just gonna be a really delicious choice with this. Here, I'm gonna add a little bit more right here to this guy in the front. Okay, perfect. In addition to that, I'll just keep it simple with some ground pepper, and we'll load those guys up a little. Of course, if that is not what you want, or do you want to add a little bit more garlic or whatever it is that you choose, be my guest. Now I'm gonna pop these in the oven at 350. They're probably gonna cook for about 25 minutes, and stick around because these are just gonna be, it's like a one-stop shop. Pick it up, you eat it, it's great on the go, whatever, give it a try. So let me pop them in the oven, and yeah, we'll be right back. Wow, look at those. Those look amazing. Oh, you know what? I did cook them for about 20 minutes. I threw them on broil for about, 3 minutes. And so we got some good crispiness right on the top. Look at that. Oh, that looks so good. It's not too saucy. I feel like it's just the right amount. So I'm gonna bring it right over here to my plate. I wanna cut it right in half. Oh, look at that Alfredo sauce and the cheese. That's what I'm talking about. Check that out. That is loaded on the inside. Oh my gosh, that Alfredo sauce is dripping right out. This is gonna be so tasty. Absolutely. You've got the potato in there with that chicken, the cheese. Ooh, perfect golden brown on top. I love the addition of the chives. This is a home run in my book, you guys. We are working with 5 ingredients. I think this is a fabulous idea. Let me know what you guys think all about it, and I'll see you guys later. Enjoy.